Look up, there are butterflies. Monarch butterflies have returned to Muir Woods by the hundreds, possibly thousands, and they're everywhere. Now, if you follow that beautiful little stream up to the headwaters, you get to a cascading waterfall with beautiful velvety green, cool mosses and ferns and more flowers. And it's as if that little brook has a conversation with the stones in it. Now, Hollis and I, we travel the country with this program, visiting communities all over the United States. We began our year 2017 in January on the big island of Hawaii. Wouldn't you agree that's a good place to be in January? Yeah. One morning, we got up before dawn. We took a trail that led down to the ocean. If you turn to the right, you go to the beach. But if you turn to the left, you go to an ancient Hawaiian waterfall. Now, this waterfall has been there for a very long time, and all the stones are very, very smooth. And the waterfall, it's a small waterfall. It's both the perfect size and the perfect temperature for you to sit in it. And the stone that you sit on, it has an indentation, so you sit very comfortably, like it's a stone throne. And you can feel the water washing over your neck and shoulders. And as you open up your eyes, you see that the sun is beginning to rise out of the Pacific. The sky is turning oranges and purples and pinks. There are palm trees on the horizon, and a new day is beginning on this planet. A new day to take a deep breath and give thanks for being alive. And as the sun rises and you begin to feel the sun on your skin, I'm reminded of another John Muir quote. It's not the sun that shines on us that's important. It's the sun that shines within us. Shine your light, shine your light, shine your light, shine your light. Only you can shine your light. Do we have anybody liking to sing here? It's a really simple lyric. If you want to sing with me, you can. Shine your light, shine your light, shine your light, shine your light. Only you can shine your light. Shine your light, shine your light, shine your light, shine your light. Only you can shine your light. I love waterfalls. There's so many beautiful waterfalls on this beautiful planet of ours.